वो सीजन 1 में हथौड़ा त्यागी था, तो इस सीजन में भी वैसा ही एक कैरेक्टर बनाते हैं. So even when we were writing NH10, you know, I didn't have Anushka in mind. वो जयदीप NH10 में एक पार्ट करने वाले थे. We were the first film crew to ever shoot in Nagaland.
Hello, Namaste, Adab. I'm Smriti Sharma and I welcome you to a brand new episode of Spotlight. Today we have a very special guest with us, जिनके बिना पाताल लोक नहीं होता. Presenting to you, Sudeep Sharma. Hello, Sudeep.
Hi,
Welcome
Smriti.
to the show.
Thank you.
Yeah, so Patal Lok 2 is here. The teaser and the trailer both have received such rave reviews. Expectations obviously sky high है. आपके दिलो दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है इस वक्त?
I'm just happy it is out. I'm happy it is coming out. It took a long while. It took us 4.5 years to come to this point after the release of the first show. But at this point of time, yes, there's a little bit of anxiety, like we were talking about it. There's a little bit of that because you know, your baby is finally coming out, and you're hoping that the baby is healthy and as pretty as you think you know it is, and that the world kind of agrees with it. But it's also a very, very satisfying feeling because I know for a fact that all of us are very proud of what we have done with the show. We're proud of the way it has turned out, and yeah, it's a good emotional sort of a moment for all of us.
Right. The first season was so loved, and that is why the season 2 is, you know, one of the most awaited web series actually. So, जब आप एक second season बना रहे होते हैं, what are the challenges that you face? Is there additional pressure because the first one has already been, you know,
Right.
has set expectations and a benchmark?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't take that pressure honestly. In fact, it is kind of liberating. I'll be honest with you, because there is that much more trust that everybody has on what you're doing. जब आप कुछ बिल्कुल नया कर रहे होते हो, especially at the point of time when we started working on Patal Lok, you know, nobody knows about the kind of show that you're making. You know, it's not, we were not expecting it to go so mainstream. हमें लग रहा था कुछ niche सा बना रहे हैं. अब की बार अब क्या है कि now that you have the backing and now, you know, everyone kind of believes in what you're doing. So instead of pressure, I would say it's a little more liberating. There's a little more faith. There's a little more trust from the entire team, from the platform, from everyone involved. You know, that they let you be, and they let you do your thing because it has worked the first time round, and that equity that equity kind of carries you through the making of the second season.
Okay, that's quite interesting to know. I wanted to know that the character of Hathiram Chaudhary, it's quite amazing, and so is the name. It's very unusual. ये नाम की कहानी क्या है, Hathiram?
So, you know, I have always felt, and Jaideep and I have discussed this multiple times, there is this Hathi-like quality about the character. You know, in the sense, what I mean is, it is. I mean, he's a force of nature. There is a certain power to it, but he's unaware of his own force. You know, until unless he loses it. और जब वो होता है, जब हाथी जब पागल होता है, तब उसको भी शायद ये एहसास होता है कि वो अदरवाइज बहुत जेंटल सा क्रीचर है, यू नो, घूमता रहता है, खाता रहता है, किसी को परेशान नहीं करता है. बट जब पागल होता है तब इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अनदर बीइंग कम्स इनटू इट. एक उसको अपनी पावर का वो कहाँ तक जा सकता है इस बात का एहसास होता है, both in good and bad ways. Hathiram has that kind of, you know, that gentle giant, not to be missed with quality about him. Plus, it's just really lovely on the ear that name that name, so it kind of just stuck when we started using it.
Okay. Um, if you were to talk about the difference in the character itself, first season से second season में, so what would you say about it? हाथीराम में हमें क्या changes देखने मिलेंगे इस बार?
In the first season, Hathiram had this anxiety inside him. बहुत बेचैन था वो, and reason for that was he needed to prove himself to the world, or that's what he felt at that point of time. He needed to prove himself to his son. He needed to prove himself to his dead father. He needed to prove himself to his colleagues that he is not a failure in life. And वो जो anxiety या वो जो urge है, वो उसको push कर रही थी towards, gaining that success, whatever that success was. At the end of the first season, what Hathiram comes to the realization is the fact that what he was trying to do was not prove it to anyone else, but prove it to himself that he has it in him. वो कर देता है, वो जो केस सॉल्व करता है, द संजीव मेहरा केस दैट ही सॉल्व्स एट द एंड ऑफ द फर्स्ट सीजन, किसी को पता नहीं चलता है, that was the nature of the fallout. Nobody comes to know that Hathiram has cracked this. He doesn't get any medal, कोई प्रमोशन नहीं मिलता है. इस सीजन में जब हम आएंगे देखेंगे वो अभी भी उसी जगह पे है, वही नौकरी कर रहा है, उसी कुर्सी पे बैठ रहा है, घर के हालात भी मोर और लेस वही हैं, बट देयर इज अ सर्टेन एक्सेप्टेंस इन हिम. दुनिया अभी भी वैसी है, क्योंकि दुनिया नहीं बदलती, दुनिया अभी भी वैसी है जैसी पहले सीजन में थी, उसकी दुनिया, पर उसने उस बात को एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है. ही इज़ मोर एट पीस विथ हिज प्लेस इन द वर्ल्ड कंपेयर टू द फर्स्ट सीजन. एंड द रियलाइजेशन दैट ही हैज़ कम टू, जो आपने ट्रेलर में एक लाइन देखी होगी कि इस वक्त या तो आप नौकरी कर लो या ड्यूटी, तो उसे ये रियलाइजेशन हुआ है इस जो पिछले सीजन में नहीं था. पिछले सीजन में द गाइडिंग मोटिवेशन फॉर हिम वॉज, सारी ज़िंदगी बाप की आंखों में देखा है कि मैं फेलियर हूँ, और अब बेटे की आंखों में ये नहीं देखना चाहता. इस बार इस सीज़न में गाइडिंग मोटिवेशन ये है कि मैं नौकरी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं ड्यूटी कर रहा हूँ. और वो एक बहुत बड़ा एक चेंज है. आदमी वही है, उसकी इडियोसिंक्रेसीज अभी भी वही है, उसकी डॉगेडनेस, परसिवरेंस भी वही है, बट वो एंजाइटी सेटल हो गई है. एंड देयर इज समथिंग कामिंग about his presence in this season.
Lovely. Also, first season में we saw हथौड़ा त्यागी, very important part of the entire story. इस सीजन में हमें ऐसा क्या देखने मिलेगा that will really blow our minds?
I think बहुत सारे नए कैरेक्टर्स आ रहे हैं. हमने वो कोशिश नहीं की है कि हम फिर से सीजन 1 का कोई भी फॉर्मूला लगाएं, कि वो सीजन 1 में हथौड़ा त्यागी था, तो इस सीज़न में भी वैसा ही एक कैरेक्टर बनाते हैं, उतना ही फ्लैम्बॉयंट होगा, उतना ही आइकॉनिक होगा, लार्जर देन लाइफ एक उसका प्रेजेंस होगा. हमने वो बिल्कुल, इनफैक्ट आइडिया वाज टू गो कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट, कि हम किसी भी तरह ये ना, जो भी व्यूअर्स हैं वो देख रहे हैं कि यार ये तो उन्होंने वही करने की कोशिश की है जो पहले सीजन में किया था, और और रिपीट कर रहे हैं अपने आप को. तो उससे हम बहुत दूर रहें. बहुत सारे नए कैरेक्टर्स आते हैं, एक बिल्कुल नई जगह आती है, जो मुझे लगता है कि एक व्यूअर के लिए काफ़ी एक इंटरेस्टिंग सेटिंग है, क्योंकि वो दुनिया वो है जो हमने कभी देखी नहीं है. बहुत कम ऑडियंस है हमारी जिनको नागालैंड के बारे में शायद बहुत ज़्यादा पता होगा. हम में से बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता है इस बारे में कि कैसी जगह है, कैसे लोग हैं, क्या कल्चर है, देखने में कैसा है. तो वी वर द फर्स्ट फिल्म क्रू to ever shoot in Nagaland. Now there are others who have started doing, but when we shot there a year and a half back, almost 2 years back now, we were really the first film crew ever. Film or series or TV show or anything, nothing has ever been shot there. So एक बहुत ही virgin एक landscape है, almost virgin kind of culture है, जिसके बारे में हमें बहुत ज़्यादा पता नहीं है. उसकी अपने nuances हैं, language है. Personally for me that was a very sort of exciting and satisfying thing to do, to explore this new landscape and this culture and all the interesting characters that come along with it. They are very different from your usual run of the mill characters or villains that you see, say in our OTT landscape or even in our movies.
Okay. Sudeep, crime thriller are your forte, of course. लेकिन वो क्या चीज़ है, the thrill, the thing that really thrills you about crime thriller? Why are you always making crime thrillers only back to back?
I mean, I'm not sure if it's by design, but there is something, that ticking clock thing about crime thrillers that I really enjoy, you know, and there is this स्टोरी को एक इंजन मिलता है when you are writing crime thrillers, that you've got the viewer hooked about the fact that okay, this is something that this crime happened at the beginning of the show, and here is this man, this underdog, who's trying to now get to the root of the crime, and get to the root of the truth, and there are these forces that are stopping him from doing that, both external as well as internal. तो एक structurally एक बहुत ही tight, बहुत ही एक, there is a propulsion in the narrative, there is a propulsion in the plot that I really enjoy. You know, it's you're going from one hurdle to another, you're going from one obstacle to another. So in long form storytelling, given that you are, I mean, we live in an era of very low attention, you know, the attention span is coming down, you know, drastically compared to even when we were growing up, when I was growing up, you know, it was a very different world in that sense. Because of this propulsion of narrative, because of this the audience need to find out, okay, what happened, what exactly happened, who did this, and will our man be able to solve this? एक बहुत clear through line मिलता है, you know, which just makes our job that much easier. It's easier to get them to, you know, rest their bums on a seat and keep it there, you know, till the time the show is over, rather than them reaching out for their phones and looking at Insta feeds or start folding laundry or whatever that they do now while watching TV or films.
Yeah. One of your projects that really stood out for me was NH10, and to see Anushka Sharma in that kind of a role was really unimaginable. I want to understand from you that when you are writing a concept or when you are building the characters, do you also have in mind कि ये character इस actor या actress पे एकदम fit बैठेगा?
Not while I'm writing.
Okay.
Never while I'm writing. But after, because क्या होता है ना, वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं बॉक्स कर देता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आप वो सोच के चल रहे हो, it's different now, because now when I'm writing a character, I normally have this thought, how will Jaideep be doing it, or you know, I hope Jaideep would be doing it, because now I'm, you know, I have worked with him, and I think he's the finest actor that we have in the Hindi film industry, at least, if not all of India. But otherwise, I try and stay away from that, just to give the character a life of its own, you know, just to give the character a world of his own, you know, a mood of his own. और फिर आप उसके बाद में देखते हो कि कौन सा एक्टर उस पार्ट के लिए फिट होगा. कभी कभी क्या होता है, लिखते लिखते आप जब एक देयर इज अ मोमेंट, probably through the middle of it, sometime towards the end of it, जब आपको कैरेक्टर पकड़ में आ जाता है, and okay, now I know this character. Sometimes it could be just one line, one piece of dialogue that you write, or one piece of action that you write for the character, and it's that aha moment, and you're like, okay, now I get this character entirely. After that, it becomes easier. After that is when your mind starts thinking about, okay, you know, if this is the character, then who should we be approaching for it? Sometimes it's a more direct approach. Sometimes it's like, okay, this is the character, but it would be more fun if we have an actor who is generally known for playing something exactly the opposite. फिर आप, you know, then you start, you know, all your brain starts working and you think of that, but not while I'm writing. So even when we were writing NH10, you know, I didn't have Anushka in mind. You know, her part or her you know, name came up much later.
Okay. पाताल लोक के फर्स्ट या सेकंड सीजन में ऐसा हुआ कि कोई कैरेक्टर आपके दिमाग में आया हो कि ये एक्टर इसके लिए बेस्ट होगा?
Jaideep. I think while we were writing, it must have been the 6th episode, I remember, when we were writing the 6th episode, or अगर आपको याद हो वो पूरा एक सीक्वेंस है जब हाथीराम को पता लगता है कि उसके बेटे को किसी ने पीटा है और वो गुस्से में जाता है, अपनी वाइफ को थप्पड़ मारता है, वहाँ से निकल जाता है और बेटे को साथ लेके जाता है, वो गन जो भी वो डॉन था उसको धमकाता है, गन वापस करता है, वापस आता है और फिर बीवी से थप्पड़ खाता है. आई थिंक व्हेन we were writing that sequence is when I was like Jaideep should be doing that part. और वो बहुत instinctive सा एक reaction था, बहुत और उसकी वजह मुझे नहीं पता है because now I know Jaideep as an actor, now I know him inside out, both as an actor and as a person, and till that point of time I haven't had any interaction with him. We met a couple of times, once or twice. वो जयदीप NH10 में एक पार्ट करने वाले थे at some point of time. You know, he was supposed to, we had offered him the part for the brother of the girl who is killed, so sort of the main villain. You know, and you know, it's a loss for the film and for us that he could not play that part because I can't even begin to imagine what the film would be like with Jaideep's presence in it. बट हाँ, ये लिखते वक्त मुझे बहुत स्पेसिफिकली उनका नाम आया, क्यों आया पता नहीं, बिकॉज उसके बाद मैं उनसे कभी नहीं मिला दोबारा. वो एक दो बार जब हम मिले थे और मैंने उनका काम ऑफ कोर्स देखा था, गैंग्स ऑफ वसेपुर देखी थी, राजी देखी थी, बट इंस्टिंक्टिवली जस्ट समथिंग टोल्ड मी दैट मैन इज right for the part, and thank God my instinct was right about him.
Yeah, और audience का काफ़ी फ़ायदा हुआ इसमें. Yeah, I want to ask you about this one interesting line in the teaser कि एक कीड़ा मर गया तो क्या सोचा कि खेल ख़त्म, ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है पाताल लोक में. So I'm sure कि season 2 will not be the end of it. Is there plans to make more chapters of it?
ये 2 सीजन बनाने में मुझे almost 10 साल लग गए. So yeah, I mean it's a long journey. Honestly, it's a making a series is a really long journey, much longer than a film. It's almost like आप 2 फिल्में बना रहे हो. और so my reason for doing season 2 was actually very simple. I felt my relationship with Hathiram is not over yet. You know, that there is more about this character that I want to find out. I still feel the same. I still feel the same about Hathiram, that there is more about Hathiram, that there is more of Hathiram I want in my life. But a lot of things need to come together.
Right.
You know, a lot of things. It's also. Yeah, so at this point of time, it's difficult to say. I'm open to the idea, and we'll see. You know, we'll see how it goes.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah, thank you so much for talking to us, Sudeep, and I wish you all the best for the season.
Thank you, Smriti.
And looking forward to more from you.
Thank you, and I hope you enjoy watching this show.
Yes, thank you so much.